Anyue, your reliable trenchless rehabilitation partner. Anyue started as a trenchless rehabilitation contract in 2011. Growing up with the Chinese market, Anyue now has become one of the most comprehensive trenchless technology providers in the industry, manufacturing a wide range of trenchless rehabilitation materials and equipment in its 40-acre state-of-art manufacturing facility. Its core products include UV-CIPP liner and UV curing system, fold and form PVC pipe liner and lining system, trenchless spraying mortar and spraying machine, spirally wound liner and spirally winding machine. Moreover, Anyue can provide customized trenchless rehabilitation solutions according to customer needs. Based on our perfect R&D and production capacity, Anyue can provide customers the best product and the most efficient service. Anyue UV cured CIPP liner is made of high-end M-phenylene resin and high-strength, corrosion-resistant ECR fiberglass. Over 1,000 kilometers of Anyue UV-CIPP liner, ranged from DN 300 to 1600 mm, has been successfully installed since 2016. Anyue fold and form PVC pipe liner can be applied to pipeline size up to 1200 mm. The pipe liner is now widely used in drainage pipeline rehabilitation around the world, and it also can be used in potable water pipeline rehabilitation. Since 2020, there are more than 10 kilometers potable water pipeline rehabilitation cases. The cone lining motor is an ultra-high-strength, high-build, corrosion-resistant motor. It can be widely used for manholes, pipes, box covers, and tunnels rehabilitation and reinforcement. Anyue's spirally wound liner was introduced in 2021. It's a large-size pipe rehabilitation technology, and it can be applied in situations where water flow bypass is difficult. Anyue had formed a strong professional R&D team, focusing on product optimization and innovation. We provide full process services including consultation, training, promotion, material and equipment supply, technical support, and installation service. Anyue is your reliable trenchless rehabilitation partner.